NFC is a way to transfer data that is similar to Bluetooth, but it doesn't require pairing and it consumes less power. It's a super easy way to get data from one unit to another. It saves you time and money. It eliminates the need for data recall. You no longer have to write anything down, and everything is stored in one place. It's literally as simple as cha-cha-cha. The majority of our digital handheld and palette-style refractometers will have this new NFC feature. To transfer data from your Atago instrument to your Android phone, just place your phone on top of the unit until the tag reader acknowledges it. You'll most likely have to move the unit around until the sensor picks it up. Some Android phones have the tag reader pre-installed and some don't, so make sure you check this beforehand. To transfer your data from your unit to your computer, all you need is an NFC reader-writer and to download the Atago logger. You'll receive the download for the Atago logger once you properly register your device. Plug in your reader-writer to the computer and launch the Atago logger. Click on the button that says Create a new file. Then just place the Atago unit on top of the reader-writer and slowly move it around until the unit has been acknowledged. After that, your data should show up immediately.